Many a times in life, certain events occur due to which you cannot focus on your studies. You don't feel like studying a bit. You feel that the spark to study is lost. All these problems keeps rolling over your head and you develop a fear that you won't clear your exam or be successful. I want to tell you that whatever be your problem, no matter how dark your night is, there's nothing, literally nothing, that a ray of hope or sunrise could not defeat.
Hello everyone, this is Akshat Juneja. Life is not defined by what you achieve. Rather, life is defined by how you survive. How you survived those tough times when it was so easy for everyone to give up. But there were you. You were that 1% of the population that stood up, that kept going and then achieved whatever it wished for. So hello everyone, today we will talk about a very important issue which many of us face. We all have some problems in our life due to which some or the other day we face problems in studying, problems in focusing, and due to our upcoming exams or it is our profession in which we can't stop studying, it faces a very big problem. So today we will see some very useful tips or strategies that we can follow in order to excel in these tough times. So keep watching and let's begin it. The first thing that I would suggest you is address your problems as you do for your friend. What does this mean is basically our problem seems endlessly vast to us, but on the other hand your friend's problems seems to you just like an illusion. जब आपका दोस्त आपके पास आता है कि भाई एग्जाम आने वाले हैं, बहुत एंजाइटी हो रही है, बिल्कुल पढ़ाई नहीं हो पा रही यार, क्या करूं? सो आप उसे क्या कहते हैं? आप कहते हैं अरे भाई तेरे पास इतनी सपोर्टिंग फैमिली है, तेरे पास तो गर्लफ्रेंड भी है, तेरे पास आईपैड है, नोट्स है, इतनी सब अच्छी चीजें हैं, तू एग्जाम को लेकर चिंता क्यों कर रहा है? एक बुरी चीज के लिए इतना सब क्यों निग्लेक्ट कर रहा है ना? बट व्हेन द सेम थिंग्स कम्स टू यू, आप बस उस एक बुरी चीज को पकड़ के बैठ जाते हैं और उन 100 अच्छी चीजों को भूल जाते हैं. सो दिस इज व्हाट यू नीड टू एक्ट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you need to address your problems as a friend. Ask yourself what basically you want and how big is your problem, because sometimes the problem that you feel is so vast, once you start to analyze, once you start to realize that you have 100 beautiful things for that one problem, you will actually get over it and start acting. So you need to have that amount of problem that you need to tackle. And even after all of these things, you can't figure out one beautiful thing in your life. I want to realize you that listen, 10 days after now, 1 million people will compete in this tough pandemic times to sit at a place that you are sitting today. You have gifted yourself this beautiful life of MBBS journey till now. And that is the most beautiful thing which no one can snatch from you. So just relax and keep acting. Now let's move ahead to the next strategy or tip that I would suggest you. That is, understand the amount of time left. Suppose you are having an exam 1 month afterwards and now you have already wasted 10 days studying nothing. So now you can't just waste 20 days and then cry a lot. You need to act in those 20 days and you need to prepare for that 20 days. So now how to prepare in that 20 days? What I would suggest you is start big, act small. What does this mean is, whenever you are trying to start a job, you must have heard it that you should take small steps, okay? But now the pattern is different. You all are having upcoming exams, so what you need to do is start big. What does this mean? Basically, यदि आप एक महीने से दौड़ना फिरना छोड़ दिए हैं, आपको रनिंग की हैबिट नहीं है, पर जिस दिन आप बाहर गए और आपके पीछे कुत्ता पड़ा, तो क्या आप छोटे छोटे कदम लेंगे? क्या आप बोलेंगे अरे मेरी तो रनिंग की हैबिट ही नहीं है? नहीं ना. यू विल रन एज इफ इट इज योर लाइफ. ओके, सो यही चीज आपको करनी है. आप आज मोटिवेटेड हैं, अभी वीडियो देखकर आप में मोटिवेशन है कि आप बहुत तेज पढ़ेंगे, तो आप 11वें दिन से शुरू करेंगे यदि पढ़ाई, तो आप सोचिए कि मैं 8 घंटे पढ़ूंगा. ओके, 8 घंटे आप पढ़ नहीं पाएंगे, आपको ही पता है, मुझे भी पता है, बट यू विल एटलीस्ट स्टडी 4 आवर्स अ डे, बिकॉज अभी आपका मोटिवेशन हाई है. अब आपको पता चल गया कि 4 आवर्स इज राइट नाउ योर पीक, है ना. आप अभी जिस लेवल पे हो उस हिसाब से आप 4 आवर्स एट मैक्स पढ़ सकते हो. सो अब आप जब अगले दिन से स्टार्ट स्मॉल करोगे ना, तो यू नीड टू नो हाउ स्मॉल. सो अब आप स्मॉल एक्ट कैसे करोगे, आप 2 घंटा पढ़ोगे रोज का. सो इससे क्या हुआ, आप नॉर्मली जो 1 घंटा से स्टार्ट करने वाले थे वो आपके पोटेंशियल को डिजर्व ही नहीं करता है. आप 2 घंटा से स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. सो यू नीड टू नो दैट क्वांटिटी which is your maximum potential. So hence you should start big but act small. Okay, so act आपको छोटा ही करना है. act आपको रोज का 8 घंटा टॉर्चर देकर नहीं पढ़ना है. You have to act small but at least know that particular number which you are destined to by your potential. The next thing which I would like to suggest you is, whenever you will start an action, it will not be like you will proceed and keep proceeding. There will always be obstacles. So what you need to know, a golden tip is that everything is temporary. Whether it's your happy times or your sad times, all are temporary. I would like to quote Birbal here. He said that वक्त अच्छा हो या बुरा हो, गुजर जरूर जाएगा. So आपको ये चीज ध्यान रखना है कि although every minute of your training right now is hurting you a lot, but one day you will definitely rise above all and become a true champion, and then you will realize that the best thing you did was you kept going a day. So this is all you need to know right now. Now the next obstacle that you will face is that some days you will follow this strategy and you will gradually study 4 hours to 2 hours a day, but then there will be a day when all of this will seem to be very heavy to you, and then you will start demotivating yourself again. You will again become negative कि यार तू 4 दिन पढ़ता है फिर तेरा वही रोना शुरू हो जाता है. No, you need to understand, you need to stay true to yourself. यदि आप 4 दिन ईमानदारी से पढ़े हैं तो वो एक दिन का ब्रेक आपका बनता है और आपका हक है. आपको उसमें सैड होने की जरूरत नहीं है कि मैंने आज पढ़ाई नहीं की. आप अपने आप से ट्रू रहना सीखिए. यदि आप 4 दिन पढ़ के एक दिन का ब्रेक ले रहे हैं बहुत अच्छा है, पर दूसरे दिन आपकी बॉडी, अगर आपका माइंड आपसे कहता है कि एक दिन और ब्रेक ले लेते हैं, तो ये गलत है. तो यू नीड टू एक्सेप्ट योरसेल्फ कि मुझे 4 दिन के बाद एक दिन का ब्रेक चाहिए. सो दिस इज वॉट यू नीड टू नो राइट नाउ, इंस्टेड ऑफ अगेन एंड अगेन डीमोटिवेटिंग योरसेल्फ. बिकॉज एक बार हम उठाकर लाए हैं, 4 दिन हमने कंटिन्यू करा है, तो 4 दिन कंटिन्यू करा है तो हफ्ता हम निकाल सकते हैं. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द नेक्स्ट थिंग विच आई वुड लाइक टू सजेस्ट यू इज stay positive. What does this means? Okay, I am not talking about be positive and all those quotes. What I mean to say is basically पॉजिटिव रहने के लिए हमें छोटे से छोटे स्टेप तक जाना होगा. इसका मतलब ये है, यदि आपका अभी मोबाइल का वॉलपेपर एक रात है, बिल्कुल काली रात है क्योंकि अभी आप दुखी हैं, तो उस काली रात में तारे लगा दीजिए. मेक द वॉलपेपर सो पॉजिटिव बिकॉज यू नो दैट वन डे यू विल शाइन लाइक अ स्टार. यू नीड टू हैव दैट पॉजिटिविटी. आपके फोन के वॉलपेपर से लेके आपके रूम में यदि आप कोई पोस्टर लगा के रखते हैं, आप जिन लोगों से बात करते हैं, आपको सब पॉजिटिव वाइब्स ही अट्रैक्ट करने हैं. अब इसमें जो सबसे बड़ी समस्या आती है, कई बार देयर आर आवर फ्रेंड्स, आवर रिलेटिव्स एंड समटाइम्स इवन आवर पेरेंट्स हु माइट नॉट अंडरस्टैंड यू, who might give you taunts that okay, you don't study, you can't do anything in life, all my money is wasted on you. But how you need to tackle those situations? If you will reply them, okay, yes, no, I am trying, I am your child, you should not be like that, this will not help. What you need to do is listen to those words, listen to those taunts, go in your room, close the door and don't cry. Instead, give a good 2 to 3 hour session. Come out, stand to yourself and speak to yourself that I am working hard, I am not giving up, I am not crying, I will just keep going, I will just keep giving those 2 to 3 hour sessions per day until and unless you stop saying me all these things. Because these taunts won't stop if you keep replying them. They will only stop when you will show actions. When you take your actions daily, be it 2 hour session, be it 1 hour session, that will give yourself a positivity, that will give yourself a jump, that how you need to come out of this situation. So this is what you need to know regarding the positive vibe. Now the most important tip which I would like to suggest you is indulge in creative ways of learning. What does this mean is, basically right now you are not in state that you can study for hours, so you need to push yourself more hard. So you need to study by attractive ways. Like if you are studying a topic once and you now need to revise it. So in revision you require less focus, but you also need to relax. So you can put on some music. And now IPL season is going to come, and you know you are a cricket fan. You can't study if IPL is there. So at least try to study before that, and at the time of IPL just turn pages, because we can't afford sitting ideally right now if time is less. So what you need to do is just indulge in some creative ways. Walk on terrace, walk in fresh air, listen yourself, record yourself. What happens basically, right now you are listening my motivational video, you might be charged up, you might be full of energy that I will exploit everything, but you need to calm yourself, you need to record yourself, you need to assess yourself that okay, I take responsibility of my destiny and I will act small steps each day and I will conquer all of them. So this will save your energy whenever you feel like you are done for the day. This recording will save you from giving up and will help you continue all over the day. So at the end, I would just like to say that listen, life is not about just studying or just any particular thing. It is all a balanced of thing, and you need to achieve success in every aspect, not only in academics but also tackling daily life situations. So that is a continuous process, and that process cannot be resolved in a single video of 10 minutes. You need to face them. I will tell you everything possible, but I don't know what exact situation you are and how much potential you have. That only you know that. And for that you need to act, and you will definitely act. And at last I would suggest you that here is the 2 minutes motivational audio that I have made for you guys. So you can listen it till the end. And if you really like the video, help it, share it to your friends who might be in the same problem, and help everyone in this tough pandemic times. Thank you. Stay safe. Listen to the audio.
माना कि चंद लकीरें किस्मत की कुछ रूठ सी गई हैं। माना कि चंद लकीरें किस्मत की कुछ रूठ सी गई हैं। आज तारों से उमड़ी रोशनी कुछ धूमिल सी हो गई है। आज तारों से उमड़ी रोशनी कुछ धूमिल सी हो गई है। क्यों पढ़ाई बिना दिन नहीं निकाल सकता, क्यों ज़िंदगी में आया इतना भूचाल है। सोचता है तू, क्यों पढ़ाई बिना दिन नहीं निकाल सकता, ज़िंदगी में आया क्यों इतना भूचाल है। माना तेरी ज़िंदगी अभी ज़रूर थोड़ी उदास है। माना तेरी ज़िंदगी अभी ज़रूर थोड़ी उदास है। घबरा मत बंदया, चलते रहे, तेरी डगर तेरे पास है, तेरी डगर तेरे पास है। शुक्रिया। यदि इस वीडियो से आपको मदद मिली हो तो इसे ज़रूर अपने दोस्तों तक पहुंचाएं और उनकी मदद करें। धन्यवाद।